how to change theme design on Weebly. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change theme design on Weebly. So let's get started. First, you will simply open up your Weebly website right here, and it will take you to your editor. Now you will find the theme option right here at the top, and if I go to theme, it will allow me to change my theme design. First of all, we have theme light or dark. So if you prefer a dark theme, then you can just go with the dark one and it will change your theme right here and it will give you a dark look. If you want to go with light, you can just switch to light as well. Then we have change theme. So if you want to change your theme completely, we can also do that in Weebly. It will open up theme gallery for you and you can choose a completely new theme as well. Then we have change fonts. It will allow you to change all of the different text that is on your website. We can change our media, we can change our, general paragraphs and text. We have headers and titles. You can change everything from here. Second, we can go with theme options again, and it will allow me to collapse my navigation or change the search box as well. So you can customize your Weebly theme right here in the theme section, and you can just completely change your website and customize and design your theme. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.